Hey gang, hope you're having a fabulous Tuesday. Hopefully you get outside and enjoy the weather today. I know I am after I make this video for you. Let me help you out with the last three on the homework. So you're supposed to write an equation in vertex form, and let's start with that. Let's go with, ooh, yikes. Let's go with just what vertex form is straight up. It is y equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. And the beauty of vertex form is that it tells you your vertex, but it's also super easy to put things in vertex form. This right here is the order pair of my vertex, and the order pair is hk. So literally all I need to do is rewrite this equation. I'm going to skip a for a second. Put in 1 for h. I put in 2 for k. And the only question is, what goes in for a, right? We don't know that, but instead of telling us a, it gives us a point. And here's the beauty of this. This is an xy ordered pair. Remember, this is an input and the corresponding output, okay? When I put in 2 into this function, I should get out -5. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to see what I get out. And then I'm going to adjust my function to see how do I change it to get -5. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in 2. I'm going to get 2 minus 1. That's 1. 1 squared is 1. And so I'm kind of left with this. I'm left with a times 1 plus 2. And I want to get -5 out. So I could write an equation if I wanted to, or you could just sort of think about this. This needs to be -7, right? Because if it's -7, I'm going to get -7 plus 2. That's going to give me the -5 that I want. So really A needs to be -7. So the correct answer to number 10, here's your freebie. It's y equals -7 times the quantity x minus 1 squared plus 2. Again, I know that because 1 and 2 are my vertex. And when I plug in 2 now, I should get -7 plus 2, which gives me the -5 that I'm looking for. On number 12, instead of giving you a point, it gives you the y-intercept. I just want to point out that the y-intercept is a point. So if it said it had a y-intercept of 5, for example, you know that that's the point 0, 5. If it said it was -2, you know that's 0, -2. The y-intercept is always 0, that number where it hits the y-axis. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'm not going to lie, I'm probably going to be outside. So should you. Have a great day, guys.